Happy morning, children. Today we are going to solve practice set 7.5 question number 6, where you have been given a hockey player has scored the following goals in 9 matches. So number of matches is 9 and here the goals have been given. So we have to find mean, median and mode. To find mean, we have to add the observations and divide it by the number of observations. The number of matches is 9. So number of observations will be 9. So we have to add, then divide by 9. So here we can just do the calculations. 5 plus 4 is 9. Then 9 plus 2 is 11, 13, 17, 21, 24, 27. It is 27 upon 9. 27 upon 9 is 3. So the mean you will get it as 3. Now for median, what we have to do? We have to write the data in ascending order. So when you will write the data in ascending order, you will first start with 0, then 2, 2, then 3, 3, then 4, 4, 4 and 5. So here the score which is exactly in the middle position, that will be your median. Okay, so that we will find out by writing it in ascending order. Then for mode, what you will be doing? You will see which observation is having maximum frequency. So here if you see properly, which observation, now here see 0 is only once, 2, 2 is twice, 3, 3 is twice, 4, 4, 4 is thrice. So this observation 4 is having maximum frequency, means maximum number of times it is repeated. So the mode will be 4. So this way you can solve question number 6. So we have discussed how to find mean. So I have written the formula and the observations also I have written. So we already added what we had got, 27 upon 9, that is 3. Now to find the median, we have to arrange the data in ascending order. So we will write, this is mean is first, second is median. So first we will write data in ascending order. Ascending order of the given data, that is 0, first is 0, then 2, 2 is twice, then 3 is also twice, 4 is 4 times, 4, 4 and 4 and then 5. So median is the value of the middle score, middle number. So here which will be the middle number? See here 1, 2, 3, 4. These 4 scores will form one group. 1, 2, 3, 4. These 4 scores will form one group. So which score is in the middle? That is 3. So we will write median is the value of the middle number. So we will have, therefore median is equal to 3. And for the third one, already the data is arranged in the ascending order. So we need not have to write it again. So we have to just write mode. Mode we have to write. For mode, what is the meaning of mode? The score which is repeated maximum number of times is known as mode. See here. the score which is repeated maximum number of times. So here now we are having, these are all goals, right, scored by the player. So the maximum frequency of goals is 4, 4 and 4, right? So our mode is going to be 4 because 4, 4, 4 is having maximum frequency. And what is that maximum frequency? Maximum frequency is 3 of the goals 4. So you don't have to get confused. You just have to write maximum frequency of the goals is 4. That's all. So we will write maximum frequency of the goals is 4. Therefore, mode is equal to 4. Followed? Maximum frequency is 3 of the goals, number of goals scored 4. You can write like this, FM also. Maximum frequency is 3, FM is equal to, and mode is equal. Like that also it can be written.